his regime is going to mean for that were mostly untouched, not harassed by the former regime in Bashar al-Assad. They were largely left alone. So they're trying to figure out where they're going to fit in this new Syria. And it seems like that is where a lot of this latest violence is stemming from. But again, very hard to tell where the situation is going in southern Syria. But the IDF and the Israelis are making it clear.
That tow truck driver is having such a hard time with it.
Yeah, he must have been like, what the fuck happened here, dog?
Video protected.
True. Pull over, record. Alright, hang on.
Oh! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Jesus. Oh. Oh no. Oh.
Corner like sideways like that already. It's like you pull out now, then you go sideways. Well, you have.
Oh, are they turning or are they?
Go. Yes, they. Oh. Oh. Shit. Okay. Go. Corner like sideways like that already. It's like you pull out now, then you go sideways. Well, you have.
Oh, are they turning or are they?
Go. Yes, they. Oh. Oh. Shit. Okay. Go.
We got rear-ended.
Actually?
Yep. Okay. Put your blinkers on.
It said that it was connected.
No, this camera is not connected. It's not
I'm connected on your cars.
Yeah, okay.
Why do you use that language?
That looks like I can use whatever language I want. This is America. I'm angry. This is America. Then go back to your country. This is America.
This is my country. You probably should go back to where you're from.
I don't know about I'm from here. You don't sound
You
like
white
you're from
trash.
country.
I sound cooler than you. All right, well, the cop is over there. There's a camera that records you right there.
Yeah, I love him. Yeah, he's amazing. Yeah,
wonderful.
You know, we're getting along very well.
All right, so Rich, and under the circumstances, you want to go to a report? What works best does for these people? Police report it is. I'm gonna go tell him that.
She literally admitted to doing it when we were on the street. She said, "Oh, I've never done this before. I'm so sorry that I did."
All right, Rich.
She admitted.
We wasn't rich, we wasn't poor, lived on a cold until my parents divorced. I drove a hand-me-down.
Sing along.
Oh, got him. He ran the red light. Oh, that's awesome.
50 degrees in downtown Portland. It's 51 in Vancouver and 51 in Oregon City. Weather brought to you by Dr. Paul Okamoto at Masters Touch Chiropractic Clinic. Their goal is short-term care, long-lasting results. Call 503-224-VAC for a complimentary consultation.
It's now 6:19. While parents and families are shedding proud tears of joy for...
Jesus Christ.
Bobby said a lot of smoke in the sky coming from Hazel. They're sure if you see anything, the scanner. Would you like to reply?
No.
No. The
Where did he come from?
Here's what I heard. No, the do you want to change it or
No,
send it? What do you...
Idiots.
Moron.
But I had to correct him because the rumor that Leo the 14th is a Cubs fan is apparently false.
What? I just heard it too.
Yes, but the media in Chicago has already interviewed his biological brother, who has confirmed that this is a rumor and that in fact, to whatever degree that Leo the 14th remains an MLB fan, he would in fact
was really close.
based on his history as
Oh my
Sox.
God.
Just cut me off. No left turns. What is wrong with you? What the holy sh**. Bro! What the dumb. Get off your phone! Jesus! God, that's the first time I've almost actually gotten hit.
Well, what they do is they give you college gives you a foundation, skills, and to go out and read, and skills on how to write, skills how to learn, skills, how to interpret. Those are the skills you're really...
What the
What happened?
There was a pickup truck driving on the wrong side of the road.
I think they can have like a lot more kids.
What the f are you doing? Oh, I waved. It's okay.